Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is the letter A. The sound is A. Anchor. Aeroplane. Ant. Arrow. Anchor. Aeroplane. Ant. Arrow. Let's learn how to write the letter A. First learn uppercase A. Write uppercase A. Start at the top, then go down like this, and then go back to the top, and then go down again another way. Lastly, we go to the middle and go straight across. Good job! Let's do that again. Start at the top and then go down. Go back to the top and then go down another way. And go to the middle and go straight across. Good job! Now you try. Good job! Now it's lowercase a. For lowercase a, start in the middle and go round in a circle and then go move down. Let's do that again. Start in the middle, go round in the circle and we draw a line down. Good job! Now you try. Good job! Now you know how to write letter A.